Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make membership website on WordPress Easy Guide. Begin by defining your membership tiers and content access rules, then pick hosting that handles expected traffic. Install WordPress, choose a responsive theme, and secure your site with SSL. Next, draft a simple onboarding flow and content schedule so members get value quickly and consistently. Pick a membership plugin that fits your needs and supports recurring payments and content dripping. Connect Stripe or PayPal to accept subscriptions and test transactions in sandbox mode. Set up registration, login, and profile pages that guide users clearly and restrict content per tier. Add automated emails for welcome, renewal, and cancellation to keep communication consistent and professional with minimal manual effort. Structure your content so members progress from free previews to premium offerings with clear value steps. Offer trials or limited discounts to reduce sign-up friction and test conversion improvements. Use analytics to monitor churn, lifetime value, and conversion rate, and iterate on features and pricing. Engage members with community features, regular updates, and feedback loops to improve retention and referrals over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.